In 2024, you won't need to wait long for exciting new cars. Big brands like BMW, Chevrolet, and Ford are rolling out fresh rides, promising a year packed with awesome cars you won't want to miss. If you're as hyped as we are, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe before the video starts. Audi RS7 Performance. The Audi RS7 is an exciting car with a bold design and a robust bi-turbo V8 engine expected to be priced at $225,000. The powerful twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 now generates 621 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. This impressive engine propels the fastback from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds and allows it to reach a top speed of 177 miles per hour. It's a thrilling combination of style and performance. You'll see this gorgeous car driving around in 2024. Acura ZDX. In 2024, Acura will release its first all-electric car, the ZDX. It's designed to be powerful, stylish, and user-friendly for drivers. The expected driving range is around 325 miles on a full charge. The ZDX comes with a fancy 11-inch digital instrument cluster and an 11.3-inch touchscreen. ZDX also features the first Acura integration of Google built in. This means you get a special version of Google Maps made for electric cars. It helps you plan your route, find charging stations, and figure out how long you need to charge to reach your destination. BMW i5. The i5 is a new electric car from BMW, part of the 5 Series family. It's great for mid-sized sedan lovers who want an electric option. There are two models, the eDrive 40, designed for longer trips and priced at $77,150 with 335 horsepower, and the sportier M60 xDrive, priced at $88,600 with 590 horsepower. Inside, it's spacious and fancy, like the regular 5 Series. You can add classy glass controls inside. The eDrive 40 lets you choose heated and ventilated seats, while the M60 xDrive has them as standard. The dashboard has a big curved panel with a 12.3-inch digital display and a 14.9-inch touchscreen using BMW's iDrive 8.5, which can update wirelessly. It also comes with cool driving features, like BMW's Highway Assistant for hands-free driving. Aston Martin DB12. The 2024 Aston Martin DB12 is the new model replacing the DB11, and it starts at $248,086. It's packing a powerful punch with a 680 horsepower twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine. Aston Martin says it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 202 miles per hour. The car comes with various chassis improvements, an electronic rear differential, and high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport S5 tires to enhance its handling and grip on the road. It's a luxury sports car with both speed and style. Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray. Starting at $104,900 MSRP, the C8 Corvette marked a significant change by adopting a mid-engine design for the iconic American sports car. Chevrolet goes even further with the E-Ray, introducing the first hybrid Corvette with power going to all 4 wheels. Boasting the fastest 0 to 60 time in Corvette history at just 2.5 seconds, the E-Ray utilizes the same LT2 V8 engine as the Stingray, but adds a hybrid system for an extra 160 horsepower, bringing the total to 655. With a wide-body design akin to the Z06, the E-Ray not only packs a punch, but also boasts aggressive and stylish looks. Lamborghini Revuelto. Prepare your piggy bank because Lamborghini's latest PHEV, the Revuelto, comes with a hefty price tag of $608,358, packing a punch with 1,001 horsepower. Revealed just before the 60th anniversary, this super sports car marks Lamborghini's entry into the high-performance electrified vehicle category, setting new standards for performance and driving pleasure. The Revuelto boasts a total power of 1,015 CV, combining a new 12-cylinder engine, 3 electric motors, and an advanced dual-clutch e-gearbox. Inside, the cockpit follows the feel like a pilot concept, keeping things simple, symmetrical, and driver-focused. With specs like a top speed of over 350 kilometers per hour and a 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration in 2.5 seconds, the Revuelto promises an unparalleled driving experience. Ford Mustang Dark Horse Premium. Looking for a standout ride? The 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse Premium is the sports coupe for you, starting at $30,920. This brand new Mustang trim kicks things up a notch in performance, style, and interior luxury. The Dark Horse Premium packs a punch with 500 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque. It boasts an upgraded Coyote V8 engine from the GT model, leaving other cars in the dust. Tesla Roadster. The new Tesla Roadster 2.0, set to start production in 2024, is making big promises. It claims to be super fast, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, and can travel over 600 miles on one charge. This car aims to shake up the market and outperform even the fastest hypercars. If you go for the SpaceX package, it's said to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 1.1 seconds. Inside, the Roadster 2.0 keeps it simple with a cool carbon fiber dashboard, a big touchscreen, and a unique steering yoke. The cabin has enough space for your legs and storage, and it's loaded with the latest tech like Apple CarPlay and the autopilot system. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Mercedes is giving the E-Class a fresh look for 2024. The exterior is stylish with smooth curves, a chrome outlined grille, and cool LED headlights. Inside, there's a new super screen, a big display for infotainment. The 2024 E-Class has two hybrid options that give more power and save fuel. The E350 has a 2.0-liter turbo engine with 295 horsepower, and the E450 has a 3.0-liter turbo engine with 375 horsepower. Both come with all-wheel drive, a 9-speed automatic transmission, and cool features like adaptive dampers and rear-wheel steering. With an estimated price of approximately $84,440, these E-Class hybrids offer a perfect blend of performance and sophistication. Nissan Z Nismo. The 2024 Nissan Z Nismo is the high-performance variant of the Nissan Z, featuring a potent 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine and upgraded mechanics for enhanced stability and performance. Its exterior showcases aerodynamic enhancements, red accents, and a 3-piece spoiler. Inside, the Z Nismo offers a luxurious ambience with leather and Alcantara upholstery, Recaro seats, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and modern tech like Amazon Alexa built in, and a Bose audio system. With a more robust engine compared to standard models, coupled with mechanical enhancements, the Nismo is designed for victory on all fronts. DeLorean Alpha 5. The original DeLorean looked cool, but was slow because of its old fuel system. The new DeLorean Alpha 5 is trying to bring back the legend with a bigger design, cool gull-wing doors, and a lightweight aluminum body, all at an estimated price of $150,000. If you could pick any of these cars to take for a spin, which one would it be, and where would you go? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. Let's make 2024 a year to remember on the roads.